Hi, welcome to week 2 of the class. This week we're going to be focusing on a big part of the fundamentals of project management, for at least for this class, which is to start working through the tools and the processes for managing a project as it progresses through its life cycle. And the manifestation of that, at least for us, is going to be the development of a project schedule and learning how to orchestrate that into a tool like Microsoft Project and get that going. So what we'll be covering this week is the triple constraint, which is the fundamental sort of technique and philosophy we got to understand as we go through the next few weeks, which is the management of scope, time, and cost as those three constraints that will keep the project from moving forward and can keep it. 3 topics, 3 different presentations on there. I'm going through some reading. There will be, the assignment is going to be basically to create the initial project schedule for this term's project that we'll be doing. There's a lot to learn. If you haven't used Microsoft Project before, there's a lot to learn there. There'll be a recording on that to help you keep going, or some tutorials anyway to give you a head start on how to do that. And other than that, it's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of work this week. So keep up, and we'll get going.